In a previous video, we talked about how to develop a question for the tarot cards and the best way to ask it. It's now time to answer the question we posed: what do I need to know right now? By looking at the meanings of the major arcana. Bear in mind that if you have a different question you wish to ask, by all means do so, adapting the answers given here to fit your theme. Tarot will reply to your questions with cards that are rich in meaning. The answers are expressed in a combination of numbers, titles, keywords, images, and symbols from which you can piece together your response. In decoding the arcana, you create an association between the situation, the question, and the cards. Mastering this skill of interpretation requires time and patience, but anyone can do it. Trust yourself, your instincts, and intuition when interpreting the cards, no matter what your skill level is. The powerful imagery and striking symbolism of the 22 cards that make up the major arcana speak instantly to our eyes, mind, and spirit. This makes them ideal to provide answers to life's big and small questions. In order to find an answer to your question, shuffle your major arcana cards and then pick one out at random. Examine the card in detail, searching for the connections between the question posed and the keywords associated with the card. Sometimes a link will be obvious immediately, while on other occasions it will take a few moments to emerge. Compare your own instinctive response with the suggested answers. Keep in mind that there are no wrong answers in tarot. The answers listed in the table are simply suggestions, interpretations that take as a starting point the essential meanings and keywords developed by experts. They are not necessarily better than the answers you will think of yourself. One of the principal lessons you can learn from the tarot is to follow your own intuitions when seeking personal meaning. Once a day, ask a simple question, draw a card, and see if you can come up with an answer. As you prepare to interpret a card, trust your intuition and let your mind wander. The important thing is to relax and not rush. If you have a bit more time, you can use a method with more than one card, like the past, present, and future spread. The more you use your cards, the easier it will be for you to get clear and accurate answers by recognizing the meanings of the arcana. When the meaning of a card is not immediately obvious, it can help to describe the image out loud. A young woman with a serene expression, holding a bunch of flowers, could suggest something like a meeting, waiting, or a gift, for example. Until next time, farewell.